everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder Path Trading Partners with a Bitcoin Cash rotation zone and adding update. To give you another example, yesterday we reviewed the Bitcoin adding in a rotation zone, what that looked like. Now here's another good example, Bitcoin Cash, take it from a different angle. So if you haven't watched the one from yesterday, please go back and watch the Bitcoin one so you get the context of that and see how that played out. Now we're looking at Bitcoin Cash. Let's say you added on this path trend line, you added when it got back up, rotated back up, and then it comes back down. What are we doing when we're trading cryptos at Path Trading? Well, we're trading around a core position, so we can add multiple layers of position. So let's say we're trading back up again. Now this is another properly drawn trend line. Are we going to be adding now here? No, we've already added our position. We'd only add again if it dropped back down to a deeper level. How have we identified the deeper level? Well, the next key area we'll be watching for is between the 0.5 and 0.625 Gann retracements. We also have a 50-period exponential moving average in there, which would give us a good target area to add again. If we look around our daily, you can see that that's also in the middle of the daily rotation zone, well, in the upper third of the daily rotation zone. So that's another good area that we'd be watching for adding if this were to drop back down. We're not going to just keep adding up here in the same area just because it rotates back up again. We already have our position. So now if it continues up, we then can decide where we're going to take profits or move a stop on this level already added. If it pulls back down here and then we get another rotation back up after it hits somewhere in this range, then we'll add again and we'll start unwinding some of that position as it recovers to the next level we added already. So that's the way we're trading around a core position, because we want to always be long some of these cryptos as long as they remain in this very bullish mode. So we might have 1, 2, or 3 potential adds, and then we have those positions available to take off at our key levels that we always identify in our videos. So that's how you handle if it's pulling back to multiple levels. If we rotate back up, you don't panic, oh, what I added, oh, it's pulling back, what's going to happen? No, you just identify your next zone which you're willing to add, and then how you're going to unwind the position when it does start to recover. That's a quick update on Bitcoin Cash. By the way, still the same targets are in place on this rotation back up. Again, we'll probably find some resistance just at the 633. Then we're watching for the 680 area, which is the end of the clear path. Then it's the targets we identified before, the 721 and then the 754 eventually. So we have for you on this quick Bitcoin Cash and adding in a rotation zone. We will talk to you shortly. Bye for now.